In this video, we're going to be introducing a concept called division. So the way to think about division is to look at groups divided into equal parts. So for this problem, it asks how many dots in each group. So first we could look at how many dots there are in total, and we can just count them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 dots in total. And then there's 3 different groups. They've been divided up into 3 different groups. So we could see these groups. This is the first group. This is the second group. This is the third group. So we could actually write it in the groups. This is group 1. This is group 2. This is group 3. And then we can try to write in the dots. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the model has 6 dots in total. We know that because we counted them. And the dots are divided into 3 equal groups. And we know that too because we counted the 3 groups. So if you count the number of dots in each group, there's 1 and 2. So to answer the question, how many dots in each group? There's 2 dots in each group. So the answer to this is 2 dots in each group.